Welcome to Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session from Expert SEM. The term is transship. It is a term denoting the transfer of freight shipment between boat lines and railroads, the re-handling of goods en route. So we have seen a similar term, transloading. Transshipment, where there is no steamship line operating between the United States and a foreign port. It is necessary to ship some points where cargo can be transferred to another carrier for transportation to the final destination. So the act of transferring is called transshipping, and the point where the transfer occurs is the place of transshipment. In normal sea transport or even a air transport, you will see there may not be a direct vessels or flights connecting the origin to destination. So normally there will be some transshipment point where the goods will be downloaded and connected to the next connecting flight. Possibly some of the long routes can have more than transshipment point, but you may have to see that when you have more the transshipment point, it could be longer transit time, and where feasible we may have to check for the vessels or the flight which has a direct connectivity between the origin and destination so that you can avoid transshipment. Thanks for watching. Bye.